So you may actually be an owner of an iPhone 10 in 2022. And if you actually do own this phone in this day and age, there's actually one very, very important thing you should probably look into as soon as you buy this iPhone. And that's actually the reoccurring service repair program that Apple is still pushing out for these specific devices. So back a couple years ago, Apple actually pushed out this iPhone 10 display module replacement program for touch issues. Now what this does is pretty much for some parts of the iPhone 10 display, sometimes it would not respond properly, it would intermittently touch, be active and stuff, and then the display would randomly react even if it was not touched. Now if your iPhone actually suffers any of these issues, then you can actually get your iPhone 10 replaced by Apple completely for free as far as I can tell. They also say no other iPhone models are part of this program. Now what I would recommend doing is if you actually own an iPhone 10 is to, if you feel like your iPhone is, starting to show its age, if you actually see that it is kind of following along with some of these things stated by this, service repair program, what I would recommend doing is under the service process page, actually going through and setting up an appointment with the Apple Store or even sending in your iPhone 10 for them to get fixed. Because, this is an ongoing repair program. It's been going on for a little bit of time now, and the sooner you do this, the better. You do not want, your iPhone 10 to be having this issue, and Apple go ahead and close the service repair program down, and then you won't be able to, fix your iPhone. From my experience, I've been able to utilize one service repair program, and that was for an Apple Watch. So if you have an iPhone 10, I would highly recommend utilizing this specific, service repair program. Now, there may be some other ones that pop up. This one is from 2018. There could be some other ones that pop up very soon. I mean, depending on the age of these iPhones. I feel like the iPhone 12s are about to have another service repair program. But with this iPhone 10, if you are experiencing any display issues, even if you start to see like random green lines, that's an issue I had before. If you have random touchscreen issues or random issues along those lines, then obviously I would recommend, contacting Apple and having them take a look at it. Now, if you cracked your display or something like that, they're not going to fix it. So just keep that in mind. They're only going to fix it if it falls under this. They're not going to, if you cracked your phone, they're obviously not going to fix it. But if you did have a random problem like this, then go ahead and set up a service repair program. I'll leave this link in the description so you can go straight to the Apple website and pretty much go on from there. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.